you. Look at that.
Get me.
Dum dum da dum dum da dum dum da
He's
dum.
like a spacewalker.
Dum dum da dum dum da dum dum da
He
dum.
looks like a puppet.
Oh, do you like walking? I can't see what his look on his face is. Oh, are you getting tired now? Oh, should I do this?
I was getting them from the back.
Okay,
Let's see
here we
what-
go. You don't want my big butt in this screen. Okay.
Good job, Allie.
Okay.
It's your 3-month birthday.
He's walking
Yes,
at 3 months.
happy 3 happy 3-month birthday. He's doing a jig.
Yeah, well, it's, he looks like a marionette.
But he's the one moving his legs. I'm not doing that.
Well, yeah.
Hey, boy, you on your way?
Are you tired now? Whew. Oh, that's a lot of work.
Yeah, he's gonna have to get an extra dose of snackages.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Mr. Squeakers, I hear more grumbling in your tummy. Are you going to spit up on me again?
He's drooling. Oh, here's your vitamin bottle.
Oh, thank you.